Okay, children, Department of Biochemistry. Okay, children, Department of Biochemistry welcomes you all. For you, biochemistry is a complementary subject, which means it is not a core subject. Today, we are going to see the scheme, how this course is going to be important for you. I am your teaching faculty in biochemistry, Rajendra. How the course is organized. Your BSc course is of 3 years duration, first year, second year and third year. But you are going to study biochemistry only during the first year and also during the second year, not in the third year. During the first year you have 2 semesters, first semester and second semester. During a second year you have 2 semesters, third semester and fourth semester. During the first year, in both first and second semesters, you will have 4 hours of class per week. Of the 4 hours, 2 hours will be of theory and 2 hours will be of practical. Coming to the second year, you will have 5 hours a week class. Of the 5 hours, 3 hours will be for theory and 2 hours will be of practical. And how is the examination? There will be examination for theory and also for practical. There will be a theory examination, a written examination at the end of every semester. But your practical examination will be only at the end of fourth semester. At the end of every semester, you will not have a practical examination. What about the mark of the examination? It consists of both external examination and internal examination. 80% of the total mark is from external examination, while 20% of the mark is from internal evaluation. Then what is the external examination? It is the written examination for the theory and the practical examination for practical, which you are attending in your classrooms. And for both theory and practical, 60 mark is there for the examination as external. 60 mark is external, which is 80%, while internal mark for both theory and practical will be 15 mark. So total mark for the examination is 60 plus 15 is equal to 75 mark. And what about the time period? The theory examination will be for a period of 2 hours, while the practical examination will be for a period of 3 hours. Now coming to the detailed structure of the course. Biochemistry 1 is during the first semester. 60 mark for external examination, 15 mark internal, totally you get 75. Same is there for Biochemistry 2 second semester, Biochemistry 3 third semester and Biochemistry 4 fourth semester. Look here, why a star mark is given there for practical? Because there is no examination for practical at the end of each semester. Instead, there will be a single practical examination at the end of fourth semester. Internal mark 15, external mark 60, totally 75. Is it clear? Now, how do you get your mark for internal evaluation? It is not something that your teaching faculty gives you free of cost. The mark is not given by the teacher. Instead, you are working and you are earning it. Of the total 15 mark, 6 mark is from your test paper. So you see there will be test papers in the class. It is something like your school classes. There will be test paper. There will be assignment. Is another good idea? You can write your assignment. From the assignment you get 3 mark. From your seminar, you can engage a seminar in your classroom. You get 3 mark, and your classroom participation in the form of attendance, you get 3 mark. You add up all together 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, total is equal to 15 mark. And how is your marks taken from the test papers? A definite criteria is there given by the university. If your mark is scoring in your test paper is less than 35%, you get 1 mark. Remember, this column is applicable for us, while this column is not for us, it is for the core students. If your mark is less than 35%, you get 1 mark. So what happens if your mark is 1%, still you get 1 mark. What if you are absent? If you are absent in the test, you have not appeared in the test, your mark will be 0. Okay. 35 to 45%, you get 2 mark. If you score 35 to 45% mark in your test paper, you get 2 mark as internal mark. 45 to 55 it is 3 mark. 55 to 65 it is 4 mark. 65 to 75, 65 to 85 it is 5 mark. And if your mark is 85% or above, you get 6 mark. This is how you are going to score for your internal evaluation. Coming to the mark for your classroom participation, I already told you it is for attendance. This is not applicable for us. Only this column is applicable for us. If your mark, if your attendance is 50 to 75%, you get 1 mark. 75 to 85%, you get 2 mark. And if your attendance is 85% and above, you get 3 mark. Naturally, you may have a question, what if your attendance is less than 50%? It is very simple, your mark will be 0. So to get internal mark as 1, at least 1, you should have a minimum of 50% of attendance in the classroom. I think it is clear to you. You should watch this video repeatedly and you should have a clear idea of the examination, etc. And what about your syllabus? I have already given the syllabus for you in your group, and if any of the latecomers have not seen it earlier, then you may just send me a message in the group, in the WhatsApp group, and I will post it once again. In the next class onwards, we will start our classes. Thank you.